Well, hi everyone. I've been thinking a lot over the last few days as to how I can deliver my information about the wonderful places in Sligo without having any actual contact with people. So I've decided obviously that has to be online. So I'm standing here at Strida in County Sligo in Ireland, one of the most beautiful places in the country. And as you can see behind me in the distance is Ben Bulben. So just to start, this is my Spanish Armada trail on Seatrails.ie website, and hopefully in the near future anyone who hasn't been here or wants to come to Ireland still is obviously very welcome. And hopefully this won't last long, this period of uncertainty and worry and different times for us all across the globe. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about where I am. In the background is Ben Bulben Mountain. So Ben Bulben is actually one of the 5 tabletop mountains in the world and consists of Carboniferous limestone and sandstone. There's